hear say people they japa, this one japa, this one japa. Now you waka viam, you follow, you want go face, now suffer part 2, now you want go face. 5 important handworks you should learn before you think of to japa from Nigeria. Number 1 is welding. Before you travel, if you can be able to master welding very well and you become a professional welder, if you travel to any part of Europe, you are going to be sought for. Like you are coming prepared. You're not going to come like someone who is coming to start afresh. The only thing you might need is some certification for you to be working. But so long as you've been grounded in the job, you understand, the process of certification will also know that, yes, this guy is good to go. And the time somebody who doesn't know anything in the business will spend in learning it, you will not spend up to that time and you'll be certified as a professional welder. And automatically you are employed. Automatically you will gain employment. It's not like Nigeria when you will now have to come and be setting up a roadside something where you'll be, waiting for people to bring their eku. You understand what they call in local parlance eku, or people will be bringing their pots. You weld it for them, no, or their bicycle for you to weld, no. With these certificates, they're giving you are employed into a company directly. It's not like you're going to be, So that's number 1, welding. If you're proficient in welding, you have high chances of, if you travel, you don't get any problem. You understand? You are going to stand out. That being said, number 1 is welding. Then number 2 is plumbing. Plumbing is very, very important. If you hold this work, travel, come off for Nigeria, you japa come off for Nigeria, you are going to be sought after. You go get your work and you will do your stuffs. You'll be very, very comfortable. The only thing where you go require, like I said before, now some certification. Say for Europe, without certificate of what you say they do, they know if you give you work. And that certification, go there compared to somebody where never do them before, where one come learn afresh from them. You understand now? So it's important you know that. That's number 2. Every household, every house, nobody will go build a house without doing plumber. Say connect water, put chamber, put toilet, no. Anybody with a build house must involve a plumber. So that's how important plumbing is. Then number 3 is POP design. You understand? POP design. Almost all the houses in Europe or even in Nigeria, most houses today use POP design. They design their roofs with POP. You understand? So if you learn this handwork and you go with it, you japa come out from Nigeria, and you know it very well, you're very, very good at it, you are going to gain employment, you are going to be working, and you will live very fine. In a space of 1 year that you traveled, people won't even notice that. They might be wondering, how come he just went just a year or so through and he's sending money, he's doing. That is because you left with handwork. You are not compared to the person that is living without any handwork. No, they are not the same thing. Then the 4th one is styling. You see this styling, people where they do ties, where they knock ties for ground. Now one handwork will be say, if you carry them, travel, go abroad. Now handwork will help you feed your family, live very fine. You will be carefully employed. You're not compared to the person where they come, when never get experience. No. You get your certification and you'll be doing your work very well. You understand? So the last but not the least, and one of the most important, you understand? The most important, the reason why I left it last is because a lot of persons are always afraid of doing the job. But if you know it very well and you travel with this work, you go outside, you japa come up for Nigeria, whether you go Europe or you go America, you go Canada, you go anywhere, this work go feed you very, very well. It is what? Electrical work. You be electrician. You travel. go Europe or any part of this thing, you are going to be very, very okay. If you never learn, you dey plan to japa comot for Nigeria, go learn. No just waka comot to say, make you travel. If people dey japa, you run, go japa. Na suffer, now you dey go face. Because you are going to start from square zero. And you look like this, nobody there to assist you. You look like this, your mama no dey there. Your papa kitchen no dey there. Na you now, you go suffer. You go hear when you go do like this. So the best thing anybody can do is, you are planning to travel out of Nigeria. Good. It's a very good move. If you have the financial wherewithal to travel, it's nice. But before you travel, make sure you hold one handwork. Hold am very, very well. Know say you are good at this handwork. So that when you travel, you can use it to survive. You will even live more. Your monthly income compared to waiting some people where they work for big companies for Nigeria, where then they pay them, it might be even higher than what they pay them. There are some people who receive 1,000 euro, 1,005 euros, up to 2,000. Some receive up to 3,000 euros monthly, depending on what you are doing, especially welding and electrician. You understand now? So before you think of say you want travel, you want run, you want japa, you hear japa, you follow fiam, you put it. Now suffer, now you want go face if you don't carry handwork. Now suffer, you want go say face. Now suffer reloaded, you want go face. So you think very well before you come out. A bird at hand is worth more than 1,000 in the bush. Before you come out, you think, get handwork where you hold for hand. Don't say this handwork and what you will use survive if you get where you are going to. Without any handwork and you come out say they travel, your name na sorry. Please help me share this video so that you get to everybody that needs to see it, especially those guys that are planning to japa come out from Nigeria. Share this video so that it gets to them. Like and comment so that Facebook will recommend this video to other persons, so that our people will not be making a lot of mistakes in terms of say they want to run come out from Tinubu Wala. Thank you so much.